Nuit Blanche is an all-night celebration of visual art and performance art. It's here in Etobicoke with a magnificent exhibition at Humber College. It brings together people from all over the city of Toronto to explore new artworks that help them understand our current issues, but also celebrate.
Well, what's really wonderful about tonight is that we have people from the communities that are going to come here to see artists from all over the world, and it's the first time we've ever hosted this event, and we're really excited about it.
It's going to be a really busy night and a really active night of experiencing art with all your senses.
My piece tonight is called Tug. 4 boats are pulling relentlessly on this tree, showing ways in which humanity commodifies nature.
The exhibit that we have here is called Trespassing, and it took us over half a year to make 3 beaded camping chairs.
Humber Galleries especially has a sort of mantra that we work under called Campus as a Canvas. So we look at all of our campus is our canvas to play with, to create artwork, to install artwork, to showcase artwork.